everybody. Some London trades going. Really, I'm thinking about like gold at this area. Maybe take it down to here. Possibly take it back down to here. Is that 30 pips? $30 pips. My gold chart's kind of messy. This would have been a really good entry. I didn't get to catch it though. This one up here. One minute scalping things right here. No, this is just a good risk to reward trade, so why not? We got like, I don't know. Why does it say 75? What is that? Why does it say 750? $26 pips? That's not 26 pips. 1468. That's 200 pips? No, it's 20. 20. So yeah, I don't know. Let's go to 30. But then 30 pips to the downside. Overall, we're just gonna go for 30. Good risk to reward on this trade right here. AUD/USD had a little bit going on last time I checked. I don't know if I'm gonna enter like around this. I'd like to see it get higher, but this is an obvious buy and sell move. So that looks good to me. So anything on the upside to there would be something to look for. Yeah, so I just want this to come up here and reject. I think I'm gonna go like, could go 10 pips stop. I'm gonna go 5. Actually, I'm gonna go above this next little high right here, 9 pips. Go 7. So yeah. So I'm looking for this to do. Just come up here. Give me a nice entry somewhere in this area. And come down below this low. If we can get a move back up in here, maybe later or by maybe by New York session. I'm not sure. Just have to sit and wait it out. Starting to fly just a little bit. Starting to see a little bit of movement to the upside, yeah. What other setup was I looking at? Stop move. Right here, you see this buy to sell easily on the daily. This is just kind of on a swing term setup bias. This is just kind of out in no man's land. Possible rejection maybe from this area, but maybe by New York, but who knows. See what gold is doing again. Yes. Making a little progress here. See the 5 minute looks like 15. Kind of like that area too. I think I might get an entry in right there if it as well. Let me see. Yeah. Just 7 pips. Just see where it goes. Just focus on this right now. So I see this on the 1 minute right here, this sell to buy type of looking move. We're starting to get a little bit of rejection from that, but Another area I'm noticing is this right here. It's already a nice rejection. I hope we can get past this area right here, but not sure. I really want to get up into this area. That would be nice. I'm going to take out this and this. Yeah, go past that. What news is today? CAD news. Oh no, hold on. Oh, my computer time is wrong. Oh well. Today, CAD news. Yeah, that should make something move. It's double folders and unemployment rate. Unemployment rates usually always make the market move some type of way. Honestly, I see all these equal highs right here. It's a possibility they can get taken out. Just still waiting patiently. Kind of just moving in a sideways range right now. So just gotta wait patiently. All right, everybody, we come back, and as you see right here, our first point of interest, you see right here, got activated right here, and we were only scalping, right? We're only scalping, so we went for 30 pips. You can see right here, it clearly hit the TP easily. I woke up to no trades running, and yeah, this went right to the T. I would have liked it if it would have gave us our 50% entry, but you know, you got to take what's given to you. But yeah, just to recap, I think it was the 5-minute time frame. This engulfing area right here was the point of interest from last night. You see this last up candle, this engulfing down move. We were up around these times, 6 o'clock. We started seeing movement to the downside. I went back to sleep about right in here or so, probably 6:30, 7 o'clock in the morning. And I'm just now waking up. Trade hit TP. this first one, or the top one, didn't get activated, but this bottom one did, and we were only in drawdown for literally 1 pip and went straight to 30 pips, straight to 50 pips. But yeah, that was my trade on gold last night. Hope everybody enjoyed it. There were a lot of stopping points because I'm not gonna just sit here and record like a 6-hour video. But you can see from when we started, this was my point of interest, and now that we are finished, you can see that it activated my entry right here. So we got the bag and we got out. Feels great to be able to make money while you're sleeping, and hope somebody learned something from watching this, and yeah, have a good trading day.